coming home to you. Baby, we'll make love the whole night through. I'm coming home, yeah, I'm coming home. Said I'm coming home. Said it's, I'm coming home to you. Been too long, and I'm missing you. Now that I'm here, first things first, turn down the line.
Guys, tumelan.
Second, bring your body here and let me make you feel so right. Like I'm hugging your body tight.
Even
You know what it is. You know what it is that I've been missing, girl. So
Also lovely, una live flu. Also lovely, una live flu. Una the problem you have flu here. Also lovely today.
I wanna touch you.
Hola, Matala. Yeah, Edwin Mutibedi. Oshapu blawaka. Tumelang guys, Molen, le good. Abora wena Edwin, abora. Guys, Moleni, I don't have time. Bana ni dipotso di lokisenhle. Ke sharp eyes. Thank you mkhotsi wa ka man. Thank you so much my big brother. Novisto, Minister Eva Are marriage and relationships topic mona. The very fun nonsense so sometimes. Molo sabi wena cheri wena rata tsayampi ka matata about we could hope wena o retle after the church service ya maobane. I was worried ka wena. Now I'm okay with that. Evening pastor, my pastor, hope you are coping. Yes, no, I'm coping guys, I'm coping. Ke boni mo TikTok o ka leja le ro. O ja le ro o gi sabor o se hapere di bikers clothes. Sheba o se ka sheba tle ke kupa. O tla ka ditaba hle, where is the makeup my bra? Ke Facebook jale ke ka Facebook guys, ke ka Facebook ke bone ke di bone ma yo a ke tswe ke Maria Bikima and then be ke ba le ba re yo ai mabitso na tata be ke ba mantwa be ke ba le busisiwe be ke ba le December motau guys le sharp na ke sharp sfapana. I don't want to complain. I'm okay 150%. Johnny Richaba, my brother, my favorite person, Dr. November, my bishop, Kiboni, o trenda, kamarato, anang li style, umutu li style. Hey, I wanted that ki trenda buhloko ka ay. Na ke tsile tletsa a tsa baruti ba lona ba glowa ke mojolo a queen rata ditaba hle. Pell at evening, Marumurutu wa glowa wa tseba. Wa bona ki bua nnete. Lona le rata, kore le rata ditaba, hle lona ai le rata ditaba. Kore le batla gore ke le jotse gore ke tloisa ke thapelo. Ke tloisa ke thapelo. Bausfark, my big brother. Ke mone le na maru hlaile ka festire. Le ba hlaile ka di festire le bona. Re le bone. Guys ke na eno he. For people who ba batlang go botsa dipotso, ba batlang bua le na, I'm available, I'm here, I'm ready. If you want to ask the question ka bophelo ba ka ke ready. And then you know, Dr. November, please tell us we are baba. What we are baba shame. Jini wena wa bora hle. So guys, how will I see kuku? Modimo wa Israel. Hi, Eva, going to say.
I'll meet you at college. If you want me, baby, this is what we do. Gotta keep it on the down low. Keep it on down low. Gotta keep it on.
Yesterday service left us sad, shame.
We're tripping on the fact that he's not here. It turns us on in every way. You say you stashed away some money for
Guys,
us.
what about the
Oh Lord, tell me.
if Lena did photo, here I am. If here I am, here I am. What's more, guys? There's something here kiratangana. You know, unali nto.
He's in the back and I'll be damned. That's it. Just screaming rain.
What's more, mema mrutu waka ukila mruta ntume, guys. Yo. Mema mrutu waka ukila mruta ntume. Yeah, kibatla le mpotse dintho tse etsahetseng mabane, everything. I'm ready to answer everything. Mema mrutu waka ukila bua nthong ati November. Kutwani hey but nna ke diqeta nene pendula Dr. November who uyababa hle plus your music in the shire dinto. Ndithi nxa ngiphendulayo, I don't know what to say, but I've learned a lot ka wena. Never own a pain. Wow, thank you Mabatu. Nna ke bohloko ke se etsahetseng, but you are strong. Keep it up. Thank you so much, Valent. You know, guys, now I've learned something. Mema mrutu waka ukila mruta ntume, guys. Kiko bagis keka cheka di comment. Mema mrutu waka ukila mruta something. Aro November. Ungazuthethi into ngeke ukwazi ukuyiphendula nxa udibana nxa phambi kwabantu. Mema mrutu waka nelimxhosa athi ungakulinga uthethe into othi nxa usobuzwa ngayo ikuhlabisa inhloni nxa usofanele uphendula. Ai kopa uibua ka Sesotho. Mema mrutu waka onare ene ke tshwere le ke motsitsi. Mema mrutu waka o lare November o ska wa bua ntho kapa wa etsa ntho e tloreng ha o tshwanela ho araba le wena bo tla o hlabua ke dihlong if you need to answer. That thing in the dilemma. That is why there is nothing e ke etsang be ke re no ke tshaba o ibua kapa ke tshaba o yemela mna yonke into endiyenza abazalwane, whether it's bad or good, yes, and make no mistake, when ke channel our account, and I know how to account. Le today last time bana ban rakela the right into ban rakela di penti tsena tsa ke bile ke di lata nka bile khala di lata ke le lata claro.
Yeah, that's what you get for that. Down low shit. Now we have to know. That's what I kept telling myself. Out of every woman in the world, down low, you had to go and mess with Mr. Big's girl. Now we have to know. That's what you get for that down low.
And I can rata nka di rwala. I can rata nka di beya hloohong no nkare I can rata. Nkare I can rata nna ndingathi I can rata nka lata le makeup skela ntena nna. What happened yesterday? Okay, I'm coming to that. Nkare I can rata. Yes. Skela mfuthumatsa nna nkare nka di lata no ke fihla ke re le makeup ya teng. Be ke ba smart no. Dipopelo tsa batho be di shift ha ke rata. Nna ke shiftisa dipopelo. Nna ke tla o ferekanya. Nna ke tla nka o etsa hore o tlo sa kgone go tswelwa next. O le ko meditate ka nna o le ha o nga kwa zo vukelwa tu. ko re utlo sena di-feelings for mosadi wa for monna o ntse o gotsa fela ntse o share November yo ha o November nka bo etsa re nna nka bola di-feelings tsa lona gore le toute ka ai nna ka bola batho ba bangata hle ke ba bolaile di-feelings ha ba sa kgona go fila le malapeng a bona ha ba sa davaza nix ha motho a nagana November fela kwa ya shoto e a lala e robala boroko ba o qetela because batho ba frustrated hle mara ke tlo le arabane mara ke tshwere ke motsetsi hle ke kopa se ke la tsamaya ke kopa lo tsetsa hle ke a kopa a lo tlo tsamaya se ke la tsamaya ai motho mo itse ho nna moruti November re tswa kerekeng ka Sunday we can't even share ka di preaching sa baruti ba hao ba I mean ba are we can't even share the preaching sa di kereke.
You may check the search results.
That guy are we can't even share the preaching sa di kereke tsa rona ho se nga re tswa fela ke re tshwanela re bue ka wena are yo November are re duba hle are exeni nje xa sivuka sabe sifanele ukuthetha ngawe kwenona so trend hape o se tsuri ditono tsa motho bambi mpunzi ba rahle ba ra re khone lo share di preaching tsa di kereke tsa rona jwale because no re tswa re bua ka wena again o saying so guys ke kopa lo tshitsa e ke tla gutla let's get la tsamaya ke atla ne ya toilet ke toilet ke lo tshitsa phela
because what goes around comes right back on around again. Yes, it does. Oh. Shoes off, let me rub your body before I tear it off. The honey lover man is ready to flex. Girl flex, time to have sex. We'll start right here and work our way around. I won't stop until I hit a sound.
What's up, guys? On a serious note, ne? Ke kopa lo jwetsa something very powerful, and some of you litla nkutla ba banga litla nkutla. You know, I used to say to my church people, guys, I'm not educated, I can't handfundanga. But can I lead the experience? Kietsa di mistake, kietsa di mistake, kietsa kia blunder kietsa. Hanto tile bekiro hubona. But nele chance le lebo modimo, jola kanna ki lebo modimo ka di mistake tsaka. Guys, ke kopa lo jotsa net nna I always thank God ka di mistake ka di blunder ka everything. Now ke re ho batho ba kerekeng ya ka one day ke re ho bona, you know, nna everything e modimo batlang ke rute ka yona enye nenye ntuthu xa ufuna ndincede ndifundise ngayo ke rute batho ka yona. Modimo nketsisa yona practically before. Kopa update. Everything, guys. You know why? Because I'm not educated like ya ruteng. Ha ke tsebo ho lata dibuka tsa bo mang ke bookshop ke lo reka di buka ndi fundi buka ke nke di experiences tsa batho ke tlo ruta ka bona. No, I can't read. So there's no way for me, it's difficult for me to go and buy a book ya mama ndizoyifunda nxa ndigqibile ikitle ke tlo ruta ka yona. I can't do that. But each and everything e ke tshwantseng ke rute ka yona modimo o nketsisa yona o ndifaka phakathi kwayo. And I'm going to tell you why modimo nkinya ka ra dintho tsena. I'm going to tell you because ntate modimo knows hore I'm the only person, I am the only person who doesn't mind to honka bo naked ba hae ke bonkeng ke expose bo naked ba ka ha qetile be ke ruta batho ba ka learn from that. I'm the only person yeah, honest. I don't fake. I don't live a fake life. I don't fake. I can't see be opata. That is why if I was somebody a patang, nenga skeka le blela hore ha kya ruteya. I remember one day when ke ne ke sina tšhelete ya o patala bill ya dijo, ke ile ka gutla ka tlo dijo tsa ka re guys wa tswa ne ke sina tšhelete ya o patala bill. Ke le jwetsitse di nnete ka re ne ke sina tšhelete ya o patala bill. Ke le jwetsa everything kana because I know it is not a mistake nna hore ke fete dintho, whether it's a good thing or it's a bad thing. Nna ke a tseba hore modimo o njwetsitsa re bona wena accountos a ke tsebula lata dibuka a ke tsebula reka dibuka tsa bo mang ke bale buka ya TD Jakes ke bale buka ya ma I can't but believe me everything yo modimo batlang ke rute ka yona kapa ke tlo thusa batho ka yona modimo nkinya ka ra yona ke kena ka ra di. Now that is why some of the things ke dilema le tsona straight. Guys, I was supposed to hide everything. Lemaubani, I did it purposely. Actually, I was supposed to hide it. Nengaske, if neke rata, nengaske ka hlaisa that show. Nengaske ka hlaisa. Nengaske ka hlaisa whatever that was happening. But I did it purposely. I remember one day when kine kile eventing ya bo McG ba invite bo McG ke ba invite ba rona ba kopa ketle eng ha ke fitla batho ba Bloemfontein ba bang ba podcast ya Bloemfontein. They were fighting me, baba against nna, ba influencer batho ba rona ha re ba November a bue batho ba influencer batho. Then ha ke tloa go McG ke tlo tsamaya. This boy mpo ya sebetsang ka social media yaka o rona pastor ke delete ntwena ha ona hane re tlo like re no ska I delete are e shebeletse ke batho ba 100 and something ka re no ska I delete ka re e tlwelle e mate Facebook. Do you know that thing ila trend more than million ya batho ba shebeletseng that thing, and then batho ba bua ba crasha batho ba November ana kelelo, but they didn't understand hore nna whether it's a good thing or a bad thing mna ke kena ka ro ho tsona purposely ndizofundisa ngaso. Wabona you know whatever happened yesterday ndiyenze ngabomu ene ke leboa ntate modimo ka ntho e etsahetseng, and I respect unathi motho wa ka ke mo respecta with all my heart. That lady ke mo hlompha ka pelo ya ka kaofela. You know why? Because ka Wednesday she called, I mean we came when ha re tla radio re fitla re dula aba rona kopa re bue, then abang pastor our baby entle ke nana hore ka nnete nna aba rona but she posted today. I was hoping you are guys okay. Aba rona baby ke go tsiri a so ngwana ke go pantle le nthetsa sa molo like ba Vaseline like ba something ska ba ra cribble o feta ka mo tsaba do feta ka mo na tla trend o tsaba trend o tla loka hlona. So motho wa ka ba mpitsa on Tuesday, on Wednesday ha re hla radio aba rona o bua nnete o fila hore this thing ya yeah, the responsibility the church in, they are too heavy for yena. Wabon, they are too heavy, and then happy now. Batla focus a business in your higher, and then batla focus a batla hutala school or batla yesam ntom hotiking kanona ito batla yesam ntom why kile bana jwang ke tla hopola o batla go tla sekolo go batla go etsa psychology o itse batla go tla sekolo go batla go etsa psychology wa bona a ba ntlhalosetsa gore no o bua nnete ke nagana this thing it's heavy for now and but you know the only part ene nkutlwise bohloko guys ke kopa le nkutlwe the only part ene nkutlwise bohloko a ke utlwiswa bohloko ke hore are yana o feel out this thing it's I don't know the responsibility phela are the responsibility ya kereke o tshwantsa focus kereke na le the expectation ka yena at the same time o tshwantse a run business ya hae about that thing is heavy for you know feel out this thing is too much for yena lino kabaliting is just that we la bona we thought we are bona kopa bana le funeral so ba lo attend something ba lo bua le batswadi ba hae ka taba ya funeral. It is not like something eating. So abaru honna baby this thing ya kereke and train and frustrated not train I am frustrated because ke kereke ke business yaka come on and then I don't feel like a ke batlo ho ignore business yaka a ke batle a ke bonore ke nka safarisa business yaka I want to grow my business because we yetsa di manala wenza mazipho wathi ndifuna ukhulisa are ke batla ho hodisa business yaka I want to grow myself in kaofela dintho tse wa bona okay we agree abantu etsa hore batla ho hodisa business o batla go tlela sekolo o batla ho etsa psychology wa bona then abaru no o feel hore o tlo mfaila kerekeng I don't know ke feel hore baby jwale ke tlo faila kerekeng because le lona le batho ba kereke le expectile hore nna ke bapale di role tsaka wa bona the reality of the truth nna ne se qadile ho bapala di role tsaka bophelong ba hae ne sentse ke ntse dintho tse itseng so ne sentse qadile wa bona so abare honna ke feel hore ke tlo faila wa bona and now I don't want to fail you what I think kore rembe re tlwele sieke ya bona and then maybe o tla thola batho who can support you to your vision but nna ndiboni ngathi andikho right I'm not fit enough because kanete I don't want to compromise my business I don't want to neglect my business then the only thing enkutlwiste bohloko it was not because of that ke ne kutlwiste bohloko ke hore lento ndamxelela na siqala re qala ke ne ke mo jwetse yona re qala hore baby I'm afraid you are young I'm afraid that when nako ihamba uzawukhalela ukuthi ngathi nguthi maybe you will see me as not uzawuthi I'm not your type ana kwenza tsamana maybe you will utlabatla uba something that was the only thing hore ke ne ke tshaba nthweno fela I mean ke ne ke utlwisa bohloko ke nthwena hore this person ne bendimxelele from the beginning I tried so much rena le na re ska ra commit I tried so much rena le na re ska ra ya deep but ke be ke ro yana but now bothata ke hore wena you make me to trust you o yentse hore ko trust wa bua dintho tse gona qetile ka mokhoutela batho ba ithume endinda ba yeka ke la le batho ba ke ba tlweletse ba ne ke feel hore ba banyane the lady una etsa a law and then ke be ke motlwela because of ke feel hore ntla e graduate ayo a sa le moholo o tlo feel hore I'm not the type in ka motlwela so ka tlwela e mong hape because ke mo doubta wa bona. So le yana ke mo jwetsa ke no baby, the only thing frustrating ke hore these things di thete sa qala ene ka o jwetsa re sa qala hore no a ke trust ke tshaba hore we are going to fail, o tlo mfaila, o tlo change ke be ke re ho yana. And the other thing e ke tshabang, remember ke nyetse 2 times nna di chate ka bine. So my biggest fear since ke mo jwetsa motho wa ka hore the biggest fear ya ka ene le hore a ke batlo ho fail a marriage for the 3rd time. That was my biggest fear. Why ke sa batle ho fail a marriage for the 3rd time? Because I failed the first marriage, mtshato wami wa phela oqala, and that marriage wa pele ndim o moshileyo, because that marriage ke le ka kena ke le se febe ke feba ndi ke matha ba khotsi ndi sihla ndi nyuka na ba cause this thing. And that behavior ka ya end up I chinchile my first ex-wife ya mo chincha le yana qeteletse a jola, and then ya affecta wa ba le mathata mangata re end up re divorce. So when I married for the 2nd time, di chatting di ready ka cool ke nyetse ke le ready, and ne ke pleletso I don't want to make any mistake that will fail my marriage. And the sad part, that time ne se ke qadile ke na le virgin ena ye o ntseng ke na le yona na ngoko, I still have that virgin. That time after my divorce I had a virgin ya hore I want to specialize ka manyalo le ka di relationship. I really want to specialize ka manyalo le ka di relationship, because for now ke specialize ka deliverance, healing, prophecy, but I want to grow myself. I want to go to this thing because ke ba moholo ndi ba mdala ngoko. So be ke tjwetsa hore I want to specialize ka manyalo le ka di relationship wa bona. So when ke ne ke nyala for the 2nd time, already I had a vision about marriage hore ke batla go ruta ka manyalo. That is why in my 2nd marriage ne ke rera ha ke qetile de ke suna mosadi wa ka pela batho ka rakereke ke mo tshwara ka letso. I was doing everything to make sure that but they must see the beauty ya lerato. I did gore ne ke etsa ntho ngwe le ngwe that can make people hore ba bone buhle bethando. So because ne ke na le di intention, I remember I had a show ya marriage and relationships mo Motheo FM mo ne ke bua ka ibile ka phoso. The name of the show ibingu ibile ka phoso. Number 2, ne ke na le show mona TikTok mona ya make it perfect, because ne ke batla already ne se ke qadile ke batla ho deal na le relationship and marriage issues wa bona. So ke kene lenyalong ke le ready, but what happened wa phela umtshato wami. Xa uqobo phela umtshato wami batho ke bang criticize November o useless, November o bapala ka basadi, November ka hlali ke criticize wa le ke ba le ba tshentshang banna le bona ke ba re ba nrwaka ke criticize wa le ba tshentshang basadi aba tshentsha madoda nabo babe bendithuka besithi ntshintsha abafazi ba nrwaka but nabathi le ba tshentshang every day le bao dipenti tsa bona di leng loss kukuhla le bao dipenti tsa bona di leng loss ko ya fatshe le hodimo dipenti tsa bona di etsa up sit down up sit down le ke ba nrwakella ho November le bao dipenti tsa bona tsa di G-string di leng loss go re ke ya bona dipenti ihle iqhubele se iloso thole penti se le loso go registry e le loso gale ke di bona ke re ma registry ye gale yetsa up and down mo mautong e ya mangweleng ya gutla e ya matol Patraka November le no na nothing. And then it's about Bandraka, and they are just wasting your time, because it doesn't affect my account. It doesn't affect my account, it doesn't affect my height, it doesn't affect the next level. I give a khathal they're just wasting their time because Nagi Lucia Hakan to your hole. So, how is it in here? But I'm going to pretend something. Hey, I understand why Bible le jacha jwang le hlokona la le intoni kanen o jacha jwang le hlokwana lihlong la motho o mong batho una le isigoqo se uncinga phela ihlweni lakho kuri re jacha batho ka ditho tse re leng ka ra tsona batho ba nrwaka hetwe ke fete because of I don't want to waste time yaba batho ba njacha November udlala ngabafazi confused athi bubatla so batho ba nrwaka but they didn't understand or I have a vision and they didn't understand or I did not fail my marriage lenyalo la ka la pele yes ke le faith mar lele ha ke le fail so be ke tlwelle so now when my partner are honna baby now I feel like I'm not the right person for your vision and your in because kanete le nna ke feel I also have my vision and she said something very powerful are baby wena already you have worked for your life una le dikoloi una le tšhelete una le matlo una le eng but nna my age yaka e santse ndumela hore ke pursue I must pursue that is why ke batla grow out ndifuna ukhulisa business yami ndifuna ntontom she said things tse ileng ka di understander le no ntse ke mo understander no ndihlela ke mo understander ka pelo ya ka kaofela because even when ke ne ke fihla bophelo ba empilweni yakhe I saw somebody who has a vision ka bophelo ba and kila ka rata ntwe ka rata taba hore this person na le vision ma and she's a hard worker and she's very professional even the business inyane she's very professional abuhloko so hundreds and 20 here ya hore no u feel hore she's not u feel hore yana her right for the vision and the planets aka the only thing yang ngutliseng bohloko ke yona yona ya hore ile yokuthi mari baby I told you from the beginning I told you hore o tlo disappoint and uqelela the only thing that you did undiyekile ke nge relationship yaka ke ise kerekeng because you gave me the assurance ya hore it's what you want we are funaland you gave me the assurance and you make me to believe you so much. That is why there are people like you kopane le bona ke datile le bona but ke le ka ba doubta maruena you make me to trust you you make me to believe you and hence I took you to my church for the first time ke lo hlaisa girlfriend in the church it was for the first time number 2 for the first time na ke move in ke hlala my brother Zangila my big brother my big brother so for the first time na ke movile ona I mean ke dula le girlfriend in the house it's for the first time the last time ke feletsa ho dula le girlfriend it was when ke soka ke polotswa disa drive taxi ke ne ke dule le my ex-wife before so for me the step tse ke dinkileng tsa hore ndithathe umuntu ndizohlala endlini it was because we were ready na le yena and thinking hore kaniti yena especially yena she thought hore ke ntho e batlang uyabona so I took her to the social media ukuthi nemazi ndam introduce so that was the only thing inkutlwise bohloko nothing else and the reason why inkutlwise bohloko because bendimxelele qala ke ne ke mo jwetsitse ke re baby I'm afraid I don't want to fail for the third time. I don't want to appear between as if I'm confused because abantu bayathanda ukuyithetha lonto ukuthi ekara I'm confused. So I that was the only thing I didn't want to fail again. And you make me to trust me. I mean you make me to trust you and then kanga relationship kaisa kerekeng ka itlisa mona ka wisa family nyaka ka we introduce then kimona here so that was the only reason but still we sit down rabu and just our baby I don't have any problem ngawe le nona ke batla re tswelle ke a tseba and ke nnete le nna ke mrata I love her with all my heart and just our ke mrata but the only thing I don't want to fail the responsibility so in short that is the only thing a billion problem fela and Now, for now, the only thing is setting good retreat John because now we say na hasabaka linyalo no for linyalo really pose anyani, but for relationship maybe retreat. So is that only thing is a thing, but the rest re agree lenaliana, and then kiaro if kesa mind akana tswakatlu aye pleking ya haye or utadula, we will decide. So the only thing is setting to now retloetsa in from now because nna ke batla nyala nna the problem ya ka ke batla nyala, and she said that baby I understand we are not only virgin ka lenyalo o batla nyala funu chata. So the only thing ke hore re tloetsa jwang, we go for the relationship or we break up together, we break up all together as re atwella, or because she knows or nane take batla musadi, because she said that we are watching jalo kubati because we were looking for a second wife because ne batla polygamy. About don't you think o batle ha tsamaya magabe Bonnie, it doesn't make sense about kere uri if the problem I want to change here. Alina kelelo. If we are musebeting ulo sebeta company it will demand you to change to fit the company. That is the problem when Bonnie uri ale understand your marriage utsamaisana change. Whether you like it or not, if nufunuk chat abantwana bam, change is part of the marriage. Change is part of the commitment. And then change, because kukuizinto una leading to say will right when you are alone, but they are not right when you have a partner in your life. But you will waste my time because I'm still explaining. But I didn't want to change here, but I was expecting some of the changes. Ki believe our musadu waka tsansi ube leading to change the same way lena di fanele ndi change kwezinye izinto. So I will never go I don't want to entertain into them. But so the agreement in short guys una refela the responsibility, they are too much for her, and now you're not about to focus on business thing. That's all. So that is the only thing you're setting or reeta jwang. Order kitwela pele ki batle musadi o mong and unlokolosi she release me or no tswela pele batla motho wena, then if you thotse motho re tla inka from them. So that is that. Yeah, you are right, and I saw it in the doubtile londo lebu the doubtile ngenda mxana that you are too young baby karumunyani, and I'm afraid, but I don't want to blame her again. Because everybody can have that mentality. Now jonginto ukude kunayo. Now jonginto ukude. How shabanto hole liona. You can say I will get a master unto you. But when ufika, that is why batu ba pasang interview, babalo fail at the practical. Because interview is easy. Haribua. When relationship it's an interview ngani jolai. Near tetapo. But there will be a time you're practical. So, ngasi blaming mutwak. I will never do that because the reality of the truth, there's a possibility une bona ili an easy thing. Akakwana we master. But now, hasalika harikona realizing but this thing is big. I cannot judge her. Because guys, when I'm about to pasang interview, ya SAPS, when I'm about to pasang interview, yamasole bypass, but motho ha fihla practically abafaila baya gutla baya buya abantu emujonini, but baya gutla bosoleng ba faile practical. So I'm not going to judge ngwana batho a ke tlo mokwatela ke a kwata le no we are still together until we finalize our re etsang. But for now I'm not angry a ke a kwata, and I'm not disappointed. Next. I am not disappointed. Next. I am not disappointed. I am not Barcelona. Next. I'm not disappointed. But I'm still continuing ka bophelo baka ba ho batla mosadi, because a soka ke give up for lenyalo, a soka ke give up, and I will never give up for marriage. This house no chat. Hey guys, ke bona taba ya network. Thank you. So ke bona bothata ba ka he, I mean ke yona challenge ya rona, but ke yona ntho ke le ka ngwe hlalosa, but a ke na bothata ya guys. Yeah, but tranquilly ke kwa le heta ba yena ndivale nditwe I respect Unathi, whether the intention is the bad kapa di good, mar ke am respect hore atle honna re so nyalane re so ikae se re so yi deep athethe nam, and ha qetile abe are later I will be part of dealing with the damage. I respect her with that, because guys, I met abantu. There's a woman who called me one day. That woman said to me, hey, that woman about honna are ke na le 15 years ndichatile. I thought I will love my husband until today and imthanda umndoda yami. 15 years. 15 years. Somebody told me, Dine 15 years mfundisi. I am married to this man. For 15 years, I thought I will love this man. But until today, and imthandi. And I don't know what to say. What's my name? Kari Osi, you have wasted the time here, this guy. And I think you sabotage this guy, and you sabotage herself. Because 15 years, one thing that I know, namhlanje kukho abantu abahleli namadoda abangabafuniyo. Rena le banna le basadi ba dutsing le banna ba sa ba batleng. Rena le banna ba dutsing le di girlfriend tseo ba sa di batleng. Ba dutse le bona, ba stakile ka bona. Now, I respect the lady for her to come to me. I feel enjoyed. I don't know, baby. I think the responsibility. I want to repeat again, whether she was lying or maybe she's regretting, or maybe November she's not the right person or whatever, or maybe honest to body need. But the reality of the truth, I respect the move and the decision. Because I saw a lot of people abahlala nabantu abangabafuniyo. Basa babatleng. Una le batho ditsile batho sa babatleng. Ai, timpintshi tsa ka ke di bone hle. Vanessa ke o bone, Precious ke le bone guys le bangata haholo, Vusi ke le bone. So now it did not affect me, because ke a itseba hore e teng to jola hore batho ba dule le batho, and then ba o mongwe na njwetsa a tlile kerekeng for counseling, a njwetsa ntate moruti ke na le 2 years a ke batle this guy, a ra ke rate this guy, ke morata, and I thought ke tlo morata, but ke na le 2 years a ke morate this guy. O mongwe, there was a lady a njwetsa ntate moruti ha ke tsebe ke tlo etsa jwang, because re a nyalana le this guy, date ya lenyalo e kana nansi date up, and andimfuni andimthandi. I thought ke tla morata, I still love my ex. So we didn't totally relationship, didn't totally, we can't judge batho ka tsona, because ke dintho tse difficulty, and ke dintho tse nang di wa fake wa kuya xokwa emchatweni, abantu ba xoka batho ba leshano lenyalong, batho ba leshano di relationshiping. So the problem is matsatsing ana, the biggest problem ke di intention. O ka rata motho aba o dumela ka di intention tse wrong, wena o ka ya ka di intention tse right mothong, kantu ya mothong ana le di intention tse wrong. So there are a lot of things tse etsalang ka dintho tsa manyalo ka di relationship. So that is why we cannot judge other people. We cannot. We are just wasting our time if we want to judge other people ka di mistake tsa bona. No, we are just wasting our time. We are wasting our time. So that is why So we are just wasting our time, guys. So yeah, if you want to ask me, o kana requesta batho ba batla go mpotsa batho ba batla go bua le nna requesta because bile ke a le tshaba le ke a le tseba le ditshabi he lona anizoyiki izinto zami ngenani bazalwane ngenani tlong bana ba tlong ba batla go kena mar make no mistake nna Zenzile November Andries ha ke so give up. Even if e ka fihla staging sa hore mna le yena re hlolane, I am not going to give up bazalwane. Kwa ya ka ntse e ema solanka kwa ya ka ntse e ema andizuye kukuchata because modimo ha enka kwa yena ba e beya as a decoration uthixo kangathathe le nduku entle kangaka mola mo motle ha kana abatlo yetsa decoration asi decoration into solanka intse yema no mandichate bazalana mandichate ene ka bomadi ba binna a ke tshwane le lona ba tse ba ngohlukuhla le ka letsoho andikwazi no yenza lonto ya uhlukuhla ka letsoho andikwazi no yenza lonto next a ke tsebe le uhlukuhla entsinyetsa nako nto uhlukuhla in motion ixesha mna so lona tswelang pele he lona ba bang ka mahlukuhla because lona le di master tsa mohlukuhla. I'm good Makaveli, and you?
Sharp, Pastor. No, Pastor, now I was just saying, I don't know what's anything. Fella, I respect you because I know since you joined the life it's how you have been, your intentions are still the same.
Wow. Hey, thank you so much.
So that's how much I respect you, and you are an open person. Network guy bad. Omota open, you call a spade a spade. So, but this thing inge as a blessing or this lady will be the honest one before they are too deep. Because imagine if Asa Aibua literally 2 years in marriage.
No, we invest in that.
Also invest in so much. Even now, due to the type of person you are, the kind of person you are, you have already invested yourself into her. So, I respect you, Pastor, but let's not dwell much on this matter so that it can affect her.
So show me some happy.
Ba ngutsi ba bana le banna mona ba sebedisa banna ba le ba di plastic ke bo no kit
le ga intate November
re teng ke kopa ringe boss far ke pele me ska re ata wena ha ringe
okay
yeah miner boss far ke
no
boss far
Pinovi
aboti
ware mo go tswaka
sharp mo go tswaka you good
amonati
sharp man sharp
Novi boti ke hluphiwe fela ke network
okay
ke dumela gore ke tla utlwala
yeah wa utlwala na wa utlwala
le nna ke bua ska abuti ke bua ska wena gore a o si wentse ntwe hantle a soka a kena ko lenyalong relationship hantle ke skolo Novi ke ko skolong re tshwanetse go ithutana dintho ka o fela ko relationshiping
ke manga bua marmo
hello
yeah there's somebody else bua kopa motho bua nga kwa le mic yes ndate relationship ke skolo boss fark
relationship ke skolo re tshwanetse yes Novi
Yes.
re tshwanetse go ithutana ko relationshiping dintho tsotlhe maka otlhe
nnete yotlhe ko relationshiping e re ha o decide go a lenyalong le motho wa hao o tsamaya ka mashano a hae o tsebe gore ko wena mono o kgethile gore ke ya le ene ko lenyalong ka maaka a gagwe.
Wow.
ha sa go aketsa ko lenyalong Novi ha lo nyala le monna ha o ka mosadi wa go aketsa o mo tlwaetse o lo mo betsa re baby wena kana ke a go tseba o le shako ke tlile ka wena mo lenyalong monana ntse ke tseba o le shako hona le banna ba ba fitlang o seng ko relationshiping ba fitla o seng le ko manyalong mosadi wa teng ha wa re a re no monna ka ke mo tlwaetse nna le tjena so ha re batle gore wena o lo makala ko lenyalong o lo makala ko lenyalong gore what is happening now ko lenyalong ntwe e le gore lona a lo dumalana ka yone ko relationshiping remember gore Jesu o reile Petros a re Petros wena o tle go intatola Petros a hana re nkekebe ka baka etsa ntweng mara a dula tsa mali Jesu a dula tsa mali ene mara ha ba qeta lenyalong Petros ke ya lo wa itatola a ra ke o tse
Yeah, no, ke nnete that. Yeah.
thank you Novi.
No, thank you so much,
So
Mokgotsi.
auswa rona o entse ntwe hantle auswa rona o entse ntwe hantle ibile happy ke papathela bo ausi le bo abuti matsoho ba ba lekang ko relationshiping e faila hape a leka hape a faila a stakile ko relationshiping a sa ile nyalo.
Wow. 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 No, thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much, man.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Mokgotsi wa ka. Thank you so much. John Lee.
Hi, Dr. November le kae?
Ke le ka moratwa wa ka?
Teng ke Jolie ka mo Kimberley mo.
Yes, girlfriend.
Ke re witse ke to ka o kutsa bikinyana ka o bua ka ene. O tla kry-a mosadi jwang? O tla nyala jwang o ntse o le busy le ka yena ka past tense. Mo le ba le hanyane ntate wa ka. Ba bangata. Ene wena o ne le choice bona ba bantle o ne le choice man ba bantle go sa with good taste with type tsa hao ntate
Orai wa se wena o corrupt wena.
Tangere ke follow.
Baba my sweetheart.
Bye.
Yeah. Yep. Ga se gore go ting ga se go a se gale bathong is still new. He must talk to it. Okay, talk to him. Huh? Healer. You sa phula sia phambili bazalwane. Ginny.
Pastor Novi,
Hello, my sweetheart.
uyaphila.
The right sithandwa sami wena unjani?
Ndi-right wethu.
Yes, my
Phela
baby.
man nami ndifuna uthetha lento esandithetha ngulosisi ukuthi man makahambe na ukhoye ukuthetha ngaye man. Une-taste e-right and yazi nje ukushana ntoni unenyani. That's why abantu abaninzi bengakuthandi is because unenyani. You always uhlala kwinyani like awuzifihli. If ever uzobeka ibhenti zakho enhloko uzozibeka. If ever uzobeka i-makeup uzoyibeka. No matter ukuba abantu bathini, you are just focused on yourself. Yazi ngiyaxelela abantu ndithi ujonge uPastor Novi akahlebi ngabantu akanantlebe ndwane.
Hey,
Xa
sefapa.
ku-advisayo uzoku-advisa ngaye. You learn from into agqithe kuzo and will give you the right advice. You understand? Awunova emane ehleba ngabantu okanye ethetha ngabantu kakubi. Ufocusa kuye akubeke kakuhle through izinto agqithe kuzo ngempilo.
Wow.
So mamela sihlobo sam. Uzomfumana umfazi. Alright njani? khona goku anathi re ha tsamayo ke la bona o sa funa o jola
amara ka se motsamaisi frugo sotlhe batho modimo
ha tsamayo
no what's ba
Sketsa nako.
no what's one thing we ke batlang re ithute the other thing e ke batlang re ithute yona ne
Okay dear.
happy one of the thing in the end that is mna and which ke khathetse yona and I think most of us guys one of the thing re etsa re singa bina madoda nabafazi most of us we don't want to deal with the challenges ezibakhona and asifuni nokuthi sithi we have tried wabona every time when there's a storm storm sivela nje sisithi re obtain ukuhambe re batla go tsamaya rona and that's when etsa ngore sometimes be na namhlanje asina madoda asina bafazi because guys this thing le dutse ona jwale le batle pap marani na madoda bazalwa ni bahle ni chechile na
Stress so you get stress yo ay aba baya stress aba uzawugqibela so umbi ngenxa ye stress ulahlekelwe na complexion I'm telling you darling
but guys sokwenzani njani because all salang when you enter to the relationship it's like when you enter to the business it's like when you start a business and this mentality guys no I my pele and fuck I get you guys that mentality is something to read so that is why not this time I still want to deal with the problem so that my pela into ditia no retry le motho aka scanate wabona and then we tried and because at the end of the day when re kopana le batho ba bang when we tla challenge se siyeka sizokwenza njalo non stop re tlo dula ntse re etsa jwalo guys
icela ubuza ke
okay
khona ngoku wena nje ufuna utshata ene yena uyikumtshato ngoku uzojola ngenxa yokuba yena uyikumtshato uzoyenza njani
she allowed me ukuthi if ndifeel ukuthi if ke feel hore nna ke batla o nyala ke tswele pele ka lenyalo wang alla hore ke tswele pele ka lenyalo wa bona yena ha mind if ke batla o nyala but ndimnto sathi mara let's come with the plan ndimnto sathetha ngeplan uyabona ukuthi maybe we can come out with something uyabona because ke khathetse guys ke ntho re bentse re change ba ho nini what's up guys re tla fihla lenyalong di kwa isa runa se di wele
ujonke ixesha lingahambi ke ixesha lingahambi ixesha lixhathwe yinja
no but it doesn't stop for me and stop ukuthi ndijonge mna I'm still looking even now I'm still looking
sikhona pha equeuini sikhona pha equeuini
sifole sonke not difolile sifolile ba sifolile sana Shop my baby it inthathu hope
all right darling ndisakumamele ke
okay ungavala nje mic yakho ke hope
okay
ungavala nje mic yakho ke hope re tele ka miskat what's ke kopa re etse guys ke bona boss wa ka ikene mona ya Motheo FM ke kopa ke honor yena ke mo hlompha holo ke ba ke mo dumela bue pele hle haulele
all right no it's fine Dr. Lekai
re tele ka haulele
le panel ya hao le bohle ba teng mo
ya e ka ro ka notla fela ka rona le feedback enyana kapa ke ya phone
maybe ke ya phone because I ke le rateng
o notla volume ya phone
oh ke not
we notla fela
e hantle ona jwale
ya we ha e shapulo a intsele te ya utlwana
ya utlwahala bona jwale
thank you that ya itimme
like ke tjho doctor ke re ke dumedise panel ya hao ke dumedise le batho bohle ba shebileng.
Wow, thank you.
Ha nke be ke kene di life in tsa hao doctor. Ke bentse ke commenta fela. But today ke ile ka feel hore a ko re ke kene paneleng ya hao.
Wow.
Jwalo ka ha o bua ka di challenges. Doctor, e re ke qale ka hore for the first time ha ne qala ho ya kerekeng ya hao. O no bua ka di challenges. That's why ke reng ke fitse hore e re ke kene paneleng ya hao because ha nke be ke kene ho hang. Be ke ntse ke itjhebela fela ke comment-e. Then how bua ka di challenges o motho e reng ha etsa ntho a ba demonstrate. That's why ke reng ha ke ne ke for the first time I ke ne ke le kerenkeng ya hao o no bua ka di challenges then ke demonstrate, then I felt it. Now you are talking, I think ke 10 years no ke 10 years ukilo bua ka di challenges. Now you're talking about challenges again. Now ka re e re ke kene mo life in ya hao. What's about doctor o bua nnete ntho e o e buang. Re le batho re rata ho baleya di challenges because re batla always ho ba comfortable wherever mo re leng teng. And ha re baleya di challenges, we don't understand hore di challenges ke tsona tse re buildang, ke tsona tse re fang power, ke tsona tse etsang hore re dule re ntse re tswela pele. So we want to be comfortable wherever we are. And ha re ba comfortable, it's whereby re etsang diphoso tse re sa tlamehang hore re di etse. Hence I'm saying this topic in touches whole because re rata ho baleya di challenges and wherever more honang le di challenges re nahana hore we don't belong here. And the more o di baleyang, the more o tlo etsang di mistakes, number one. And it's the more the challenges di to follow a doctor because you don't want to deal with consequences. And if o sa batle go deal with the consequences, ke mo o tlo etsa di mistake teng. That's why o no utlwa batho ba kgale ba ne ba rata hore ha o ngala o ngalla motsheo. Then how ngalla motsheo is the way mo o tlo nahana o le one o dutse o le one, or you know this thing ke tlamehile hore ke solve ka tsela le mofuta o itseng. So ha re dula re baleya di mistake wherever mo re leng teng, re dula re baleya di challenges wherever mo re leng teng, is the more it's a the mistake and is the more the challenges di tlo re followa. So ne ke re ke lahlelele fela doctor ke tseba ho tswa paneleng ya hao ke imamelle ke tswe dilong.
Tate ke a leboha. I'm so happy and I'm honored to re motho ya tshwanang le wena basi wa ka a kene. Guys, ke ena station manager, ke program manager ya Motheo FM. Di program tsohle tsa Motheo FM di laolwa ke ena. Thank you so much Hausa. Thank you so much man.
O ka nna nthola doctor ne ke batla fela ho lahlela mo ke tlamamela.
Wow, thank you so much. Yo, yeah no. Hope.
Dumela Ntate Novi.
Yes, my sweetheart.
Yes, sir. Ntate November, I'll talk to you like a daughter because I see you as a father figure.
Okay.
So, Urile, when you were telling us, you spoke about vision, or you have a vision that you have, right? And you have a vision. Clearly, Elsie does not have the same vision like yours, right? So, if you are going to hold on to this relationship until you decide to separate, probably after you find someone who has the same vision, Liwena, then what would be the purpose of you being with her on that November? Because at the end of the day, as long as your vision as a man of God that you are and hers, they are not meeting anyway. And she has told you clearly, Rena, she's not ready for such. She's not set up or Ave Mamruti or this and that in your life. So why then are you willing to let's assume it takes 3 years. You understand, Papa. You are still together for those 3 years. You find a lady, a woman who will honor this vision. Liena Arno, I will come in and be your wife and we'll work together. I will serve the Lord with you, right? So then what will be the purpose of this relationship, Leaus? Because in that November, as a man of God that you are, that we respect many of us and we honor, you cannot really keep a relationship that you clearly know when it comes to the vision. This vision that you have, remember that in November, it's not man-made. It's not yours. You did not dream about it when a vision, it is something you know very well. I want you to do this. So if someone is coming into your life as a lady, as someone you are in a relationship with, if ever they are not willing to come in and fulfill the vision, then what are we doing? And what are you teaching us, your daughters? What are you teaching us, Papa? As your children and your sons now, because many that look up to you as a father figure, the male ones, the female ones, we will end up also entering into things of saying, I'll be with this one until I find the one that the Lord will give for me to settle down with. But then what is the purpose of it? If there's no purpose, then there's no reason for us to do it. Why are we wasting time? Time is precious. We cannot play around with time that in November, because at the end of the day, each and every moment, it was 7 p.m. an hour ago, 1.5 hours ago. It will never be 7 p.m. on this date again. We have lost that 7 p.m. It's gone. So now we are going to take 3 years and just be in it because what would be the reason of being with someone that has clearly stated, now this one, Papa, I'm not, it's too much for me. I can't afford to do this one. So I'm going to leave it there and respect you, Papa. You hear your answer. Thank you. Man of God.
Yo, now Valentina Okay, Hope. I'm still going to repeat my words again. And Leao Boso Yaka Abuilenka Wana, the program manager. It is not like I'm going to take yes and yes. Wabon. Remember, this thing, it came on Wednesday last week. Now, we dealt to Leona come Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday we took it to the church. Ne, Ralo Buale today night to just that high. Ngabali Mona, Leona not involved. Wabon. Now, the only thing is Halang Kyur. I don't want to say no, come on, someone, we don't have a plan. Keneki Hala Rico Dula fast happy reshebe the plan. Retleka rebono rekaitsa ing renke di vision tsa rona re di etseng, then I must try lo reshebe di site tse ding. We must not focus to that thing or she's not capable of whatever, but we must try to check the area. So you know why? There is something like if the marriage wa Mseleku, as much Mseleku failure marriage wa, because I still believe in Mseleku, somewhere, somehow, he is failing the marriage. But I like this thing out, they are fighting, they are trying to bring the solution. They are trying to bring the Batlisa solution, because they are trying to avoid a divorce. So what I'm trying to say, Guru, it's a new mindset. When for the third time, for the third time, I told myself this time I'm not going to say small things. I really want to try with all my heart. You know why we now hope this thing is important. Guys, most of us, do you know that we regret? And I regret the line. There are people about but as we speak now, we regret. We regret because of we ran away from the problems and then break up. But some of the people you can see November actually really. So nowadays we don't want to try, and that is why our marriage, the relationships, they don't work. Dinka 3 weeks, a week if a deal, because people, they are not willing to try to deal with the problem. So we cannot every time because we cannot try every time when there's a problem. Let's sit down and check the ways to solve a problem. Then that is my issue, guys. Because guys, there are people regretting every day. Because of lack of patience. Because every time when there's a problem, like Mahawu Achilo, we always run away. So that is my problem. So I told myself this time, I'm willing to deal with the problem. I'm willing to deal with the challenges of relationship. I'm willing to deal with everything. That is why even if I can marry somebody on a Lebanon, I'm willing to be a stepfather. I'm willing, because it is my plan, it is my wish to deal with everything. So now that is my problem.
Yes, we can hear you, Papa. So what we're going to do, me and some of your children in the Lord here, because we see you as a father, Kir, we will pray with you in Tate November, whatever decision you will end up making. Because at the end of the day, there are challenges in Tate November. You can be willing, or I can go through these certain challenges, right? Because anyway, any woman that you will end up marrying Tate November, it's not true. You are not going to have challenges. But this very one, foundation,
Wow.
This one, vision. The vision is the foundation of the marriage. Because you are a man of God. And you have people who are looking unto you. And if she's seeing I'll be getting calls, because one of the things that I think you already know, will be calling, and at November, this is happening. So maybe she's running away from that. The headaches that come with Bazalwane in a church setting, it's a lot. So at the end of the day, even if you are to marry a woman that in November who will come in that and do it well, but at the end of the day, you will still have challenges. But the challenge of this challenge in that November, vision is the foundation of the marriage. If the visions are not linked, if they are not coming together, then there is no foundation. You will be frustrated even later, and it will be worse, because now imagine 3 years later, now you are seeing, or even if I can try, the problem was the vision. The one thing that you need to do probably to make it to be peaceful in your home is for you to say, okay, whom have I raised? who can take over the ministry, nakidule fast, so that my wife can be at peace. And that is not going to be possible, right? So any woman that you will marry in 30 November, if the woman, you will still face challenges. Things will happen. But at least your vision, it will be sorted. So your foundation is steady enough. It will carry the other challenges because you are already linked. Vision-wise, you are sorted. But now if the vision is the foundation and the foundation is not steady enough, then what are we building on? We cannot face any other challenge because in any other way, anything that happens, it brings you back to the vision issue. It will come back to the vision issue. Will reveal in the first beginning because you are a man of God. You're not going to wake up and say, no, today, now I'm no longer in 30 November, unless if you are willing to do that, which I don't think that is what God wants for you. Because again, we must remember what does God want for you? You still have to raise more and more. There are more children of God, more souls in 30 November. When we come and listen to you here, some of us, our journeys, we continue the journey because of what we're hearing from you as a man of God. You went through this, you went through that, but you did not give up on Jesus. You did not give up on God. So there are many, they are coming. We are many, we are still coming. So your vision is your identity in Jesus. So a woman who's not willing to support you there, then they are saying strip your identity and become the biker, but not the man of God. And it's not going to happen, sir. It can't happen like that. It can't, that enough. It can't happen like that. So any other challenge, finances, we can deal with. Anything, health, we will deal with. Anything, we will deal with and we'll win and we'll conquer. But their vision, Yona, is just the foundation of the home. Any house where the foundation was not stable, was not proper in 30 November, they've come in and they've assessed, they would rather rebuild. So who wants to rebuild after 5 years? You have the energy after 5 years now. You have to start from scratch because everything will point you back to the foundation where you started this from. The vision was wrong. You gave us an example of Ubabum Seleko. Every woman, even now, if it's number 7 or what, they already know what they are entering into. Imagine Angenu number 7, it won't make sense because the man has a vision that he wants 7 wives. So you cannot come in and want the man to change what he wants for himself.
No.
You come in and you support, you build according. You are the head of the home, 30 November. You are the head of the home. So I come in and I support. I'm coming in as a helper. God is giving me to you as a helper. Not to come now and I want other things. Then it means I'm in the wrong place. That is why it sounds sad and it's like they are not being nice. No, let her go. But at the end of the day, it's being released rather than 30 November. We don't build because the foundation is not steady. So let's rather not build anything and wait. Then when the time is right, you are willing to build with someone who understands who you are in Jesus, in Christ. Your vision as a man of God, they are willing to support you. Then anything that comes, you will stand. That marriage will stand. Because everything, Akiri, you are the one who's the man in the house. You are the one who's ahead. You are the one who's in control and in charge. Yes, indeed, serving the Lord, but as a man. But if you get a woman who wants to say this and that, you see that there will always be challenges. But again, it is well that in November. I'm going to end it there. I'm going to listen as well. Amen.
You will 150%, and I thank you so much. Thank you so much for what you said. No, we are into the deeper hole, and it's very, very powerful. And I thank you so much for that, Kaneti. Tandiwe.
Hi, Pastor. How are you?
I'm good, Sandra. Sam, are you good, my family?
I'm good, Pastor.
Yes.
Yeah. First of all, I think I'd love to differ with everyone. I think there's still a chance. For us who watched you yesterday on the pulpit, okay, I'm so invested in you that I even, because I have a smart TV, go shebele live on my TV, not on my phone.
Wow.
And I didn't cook yesterday.
Okay.
Watching your babies because again, let's have a and you're not taking you. Now, Pastor, I even saw when you go on the pulpit, and it was my first time seeing that happening. And I think maybe you'll be the last man of God to do that. Because why? Other people, when they're going through separation, and because I still believe this is a separation, not anything deeper. And a separation means it can be reconciled at a later stage.
Wow.
Ngaze ngaqala ukubona inceku kaNkulunkulu who was supposed maybe to have taken a holiday, and I tell one of the evangelists to take on the pulpit and go on about the service. But in that situation, you stood on the pulpit, you preached, you prayed for people, and in space in betweens, you were feeling us that this is your situation, we are going. But what I have observed, looking at the service yesterday, I asked myself that, you know what, this, okay, in every insult that you are getting left, right, and center, but there will be no man who will do what you are doing to save lives, to save marriages, to save relationships, while your own world is collapsing. People have been so selfish that they will tell you that, can I have some me time? But I didn't see you do that yesterday. You could have said, "Hi, for this about to guys, but you didn't do that." Now, I don't want to be long, family. I just want to say that you've got what it takes. And when I look at you, I see that you have a dream, and I see that you are a fighter and you are fearless. And I thank God that you are a warrior and you are a winner and you are bold. No one could have done what you have done yesterday. No one. I still stand on that. And if people want to say, Pastor Mama Ngila Ayeza, I'd like a reference. I'd like a libito, I'd like a video, I'd like a reference that going so much when the world is collapsing. Remember, you have enemies that are so happy that even this thing with you and Unati, it didn't work. And now in my heart, I still believe that this is just a separation. If izinto zingahlanganiswa nje this thing can boom again. I think she's maybe what's haba again, maybe it doubts, the spirit of doubt in her. But I still believe that something somewhere, somehow, it can look. And then people will come again and say, it doesn't matter in any way. For 24 hours. If there's that spark that you can reconcile with her, please do. That's what I wanted to say.
Oh, Tandy. Thank you so much.
Yes,
sure,
Pastor.
guys. I didn't get emotional, man. You know, Tandy, I remember somebody said to me, 8th November, I don't know how do you survive the way you unkile image, you unkile reputation, you unkile everything. Because you want to build Mapilo Aruna, you want to build the relationship with Aruna. So I thank God. And the other thing, like I said, you know what is painful? And so I can't read buka ya mang experience ya motho o ne ndizofundisa ngayo akghoni. So each and everything emodimo batlang ke rute ka yona iqalwa ke ndimo qala ndingene kuyo ke nna qala ngwe kena ka re ho yona ke nna a taste that thing. And it's just that ka nako eo ke keneng ka re ho yona, people they will judge me. But some of them, they don't understand what ke kenetse bona kara situation thing. Whether it's a mistake, whether it's a blunder, but na according to knowledge ya ka ntate Modimo mpontsheng yana gore November, because awukwazi ufunda ibook, awukwazi ubala. So every information ozofundisa ngayo, you are going to teach about your experience. So yeah, no, thank you so much. And I thank God, and I don't regret, guys, for everything. That is why I make life here. Everything, whether it's bad or good, or if I know that thing is going to help other people, I'm using that thing. Whether it don't destroy, whether but but if that thing, this thing, even if it's a mistake, it's a blunder thing, it's going to build abanye abantu bazalwane ndiyayithatha ndiyisebenzisa. I remember one day nekile Durban ke kopana le this lady ke rea hoteleng nale ha re fihla hoteleng Thandiwe, there was no bazalwane. I was alone with that lady. We went to casino, and then from casino we went straight to hotel. And then we booked in Salah. I mean, we did not sleep. So ngaka yo hlamba, the lady alo hlapa. Twas our ring. Modimo abare. You are not going to sleep with this lady. You are going to pray for this lady and help the lady. Uzomnceda and testify. Umupakele. Umujwetse kanna. I did it. I prayed for that lady, and then I got like a rapela le family ai. Rele babedi ekhulule ehoteleni rele babedi. When I came back to Bloom, ka fihla ka tlo ruta ka yona ka rakereke. I was supposed to hide that. I was supposed to get the fihlile mara ke ile ka ruta ka yona. So ka nete ke le ba modimo ka batho ba understandang hore everything e ke etsang, the motive behind of everything in. So ke le ba ntate modimo ka nnete. Thank you so much, Hope. Thank you so much, Thandiwe. Le batho ba buileng ba bang re tla o vose vose.
Arai mo le ga ke mi so tbo tlompalele le ka mo bote.
Yes, re teng ka mabotsana.
I'm going to be very short, ne? Nto ke tla go buang ka gore I mean modimo wa tshepagala e bile ha stop go sa tshepagala.
Yes, mavusa.
Modimo o lo wa khale o le a tla tshepagala mo go wena. Tshantse a tla tshepagala le no yana. Khanya gore go disappoint wa gago a go disqualify for modimo a ka go fa motho o betere.
Wow.
Awa go disappoint ha bon anyone go disappoint ga go disqualify modimo ha go disqualify for modimo a go fa someone else better than the person who lositseng. Mo Bibleng re honkopa boroto onkopa tlhapi, I will never give you a snake. Ke di promise modimo yanong sometimes le poloso a bua for ha re feta mo lontse di yana we celebrate when re feta mo di temptation mo lontse we celebrate ke part of phelo na ke tla go bela ke go bela mo modimo wa tshepagala modimo o le a tla tshepagala mo go wena ntse le ene modimo o
no thank you
for sono sa expectar a tlo fa mo sa di o sa mo expectar ke leboga.
Yeah, no, thank you, Mavusana. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Mavusana, Mr. Billionaire, my pastor.
My brother, what you guys?
There is somebody, Moni, Kima, Mbanjani, Ari, you once said in 2020, when you get married again, you need a woman who's not working, no busy, so that she can fully support your vision and focus in it. Wow, okay. Yes, my Mr. Billionaire.
But man of God.
Yes, man of God.
You inspire me a lot. You inspire me a lot. You know, the stuff that you talk is too reality stuff. I was watching you when you married a couple, and that is what I said to you. Those who are called by God and are truth and love their lives, they will be persecuted. That's true. You know, and continue what you're doing. People
Wow.
will say everything about you. But you got your own purpose, you got your own race, you got everything of your own. And the way how God called you, you are different than other people. There's
Wow.
one word that I will use. I'm, everybody is unique. The uniqueness in people is very important to love out your ministry. Not
Wow.
somebody else, what people want.
Wow.
There's all what I want to say to you. The first time that I see you, Dr. November, was like, I see my father.
Wow. Yo.
You know, I'm not mentioning my race here, but I'm a colored, but I love the cultural people. There's something in that people, they love for God. And that people can pray, and that people can preach.
Yo. Wow. Yo. No.
And you know what? Ministry is not easy. And ministry is not a thing like tomorrow you are there. I'm very young. You are older than me, but you are a role model for me in ministry.
Wow, that. Wow. Oh, thank you so much, my pastor, man. Thank you so much, man.
The first time that I hear you was like, yo, this man can preach. Maybe his father was a pastor or a bishop or whatever, but this man can preach.
Wow.
You see, once I see you, the Lord talked to me about the 10 crusade for 10 days. Around the Rhine side, but I want to bring you to Cape Town.
Hey, and I remember you said that, man.
Khayelitsha, Langa, Guguletu, Makassar, Worcester, Atlantis. And then we end off in Wellington.
My friend, you know, I used to say, I was saying to you, I think is it last week or 3 weeks or a month ago? We were supposed to talk, me and you, you remember?
Yes.
Okay, let's do this, my friend. I promise you 150%. After 12 tomorrow, I will give you a call. 11 o'clock, I'm in the radio, but after 12, I will give you a call, my friend.
Yes. You know what? You inspire me as a young man that is in ministry so much so that I can say, look, that Tata, he is very good. I pray God's blessings over your life.
Wow.
Don't worry what other people say. We pray for you.
Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much, my friend.
Great inspiration.
Thank you, man. Thank you so much. And stay blessed.
Yeah.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you. Yo, Vanessa. We are about to close, guys. Vanessa.
Wow, le butchara. Yo, it's Vanessa.
Onswaka nagrin te kile blela ra ke ruta ke tsebe English. A ko paska tla jwang. Ke bitsa ka Xhosa Vanessa.
Dumelang, guys. There's something we were saying that I think people are missing, is that you are still where you needed to be with this person. The problem is that you're not equally yoked as yet. You are a praying man, and you know for a fact,
You know hore there are certain things that you can say ho yena and he can fix your person for you. Ebe I gonna understand where you are or where you want to be or see your vision for what it's supposed to be, right? And I feel hore o ba re ha ba kgone ho nkutlwa.
Yeah, ba re buela hole.
If you can see the headset again, it's fine. Excuse me.
Yo, kwana
So when we
utlwana.
spoke earlier, ane Ntate Moruti a bua earlier, Hari o arohanile anyone. O buile the difference in ideas or opinion or vision, right? What I'm saying is because he's a man of prayer and only speak daily, he is, I believe he's able to speak and ask hore se a se batlang a se fumane hang ka bokana ko ilukileng. You understand? There's a time where I stayed with a person, much older person, and relationship was fine. Everything was fine. Nerutwan. The problem is that he's got 4 kids at the time. Hakina ngwana. I wanted to be with this person, but the spirit or the God in me or whoever's directing me was like, Ntombazana, not here. This is not the one. Even in my prayers, when I prayed for things that are different to what we would sit and discuss. And eventually I got what I used to pray for. Yes, I'm here in the present moment. Ki o raratana. No, enesi sugar daddy. Sugar daddy ki motho a o fang tjhelete. O sa etse niks. I was working for my money. He was working for his own money. We were raising his kids together in his house.
Wow.
Sugar daddy ki bless. Ase bless abudu. Ole nere aha lelapa. We were working towards marriage. So anyway, I'm going to try not to read the comments. So when we got to a point where he wanted to now officialize the relationship, something in me said, no, my darling, this is not where you are needed. You're not needed here. You're needed elsewhere. And I left. And years later, because I was being, years later, I met somebody. We had our son, my very beautiful son. Oh, my son is gorgeous. So I had this beautiful blessing. My prayer has always been, and that is exactly what I got. And the kind of person that I had a kid with is the exact type of person that I was praying for. I be responsible, I be so. And that is exactly what I got. How I prayed, the type of relationship that I wanted between us, it was exactly that. So what I'm trying to say is you are able to speak to God and you are able to tell him, Hore, fix my person for me so that we are equally yoked. And when the time is right, he will grant you your heart's desire. Because I don't think we may say what we want, but I believe he responds to that.
Oh, yeah, no. Ke utlwile wa tseba. Yeah, no ke utlwile. And I think when o buile ntwe ke buile but ke kopa fela ke tlo mamela Minier then la o sa tsamaya vane ke kopa Minier again. There's something o buileng very powerful but ke kopa Minier again.
All right.
Minier.
Pastor Nobi.
Yes, abuti.
Guy Murutaga.
Shabu jongwa na mme man.
Asale agrignana kiri ntatona ko mkhuthatsa ko bona motho a khuthatsang nna instead bilo kena ko wa ding ro rapella motho wa kula o fitla be a remisa matso go rapella le thapelo ya o tleng ka yona o sa tseba o tla irapela ka bo kutlela ha o fitla fela be se a remisa matso go batla o rapella wena o tlwile a o fastile re ko mo rapella wa kula o fitla wa ding we misa wena matso ke Pastor Nobi Pastor Nobi.
Yes, my friend.
Ay, akso woni ntadoje, akso woni muruteje, waza kika ipotsa ntato na wanna. Lerna jalo mo rituile nga ofela runa re kira sermon out of all those things. Kriyaman, had so many grace here, Jena. Uri, Ndadona, you can use anything and make a sermon out of it, and very powerful. Ay, Murut, when I pulpit, you must prepare, Murut. Go about prepare the vessel.
No, I guess I prepare, my friend. Kia pulpit fella.
No, give William and the commenting a Sunday. Pastor Novi are prepared. Oh, now got more. What your lights are someone that anything that you can do, you can say something powerful out of that.
Yeah, no, you are right, Mataka. No, I don't prepare message. Nix. Even if you.
Satan this guy, he can't do anything to him. So, but for you, he knows. He's a loser already. Because God is using you for us, Pastor Lovi.
Oh,
Kishebe Novi ki putse marana ke mang. Pastor Novi anta here a pressa on anzali jena king into the zaga kishebe the problem zaga ke bona ke abapala tshiki ke langa yona mona. Uri mudimu sebedi o tla wena o rena re ithute ore into tse kaofela ke tse dinyane.
Jesus.
My last word Muruta Agagori, don't ever try to stop even a single program, whether you're marriage, counseling, whatever. No. Baba buanga ba tsole ba bua, tsela pele go thatsa manyalo and all those kind of things. Ntwe nkgatlang go wena Murutaka. You are somebody who's coming. Ntwe tse o di buang ha o tsamaye o di bala. Tse dingata o tsamaile mo tsona. So you are the man that people should listen to.
Wow, thank you so much, Mkhotsi wa Kaman. Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my pastor. Thank you so much. Baby, do you want to say something? Kufa platform batla bua. Ka poso bile mantso. Dr. Mshen Mgate, o ka se gone kena ka mo Facebook unless o tla ka TikTok. Unless o tla ka TikTok, my friend. Ha bua ke phele Novi ke boss. Okay. Let us start a branch in Cape Town. Okay. And Mama Ezra. Ki Mama Ezra. Hello, Sandra.
Hello, Dr. Likai.
Dr. Likai.
Reteng.
Yes.
Yo. Ke utlwile di speakera di buile tse ngata, you know, Dr. Babambang kilele manzo a rona. But the only thing nka buang re lemetse re le country re utlwang wa bona. And honestly speaking, Dr. November, even Linda, now gobela waga, kore o gobela waga.
Ore ke gobela mama.
Ai, rona re matwasa, la ratwasa mona man. Yo, rona ratwasa, wait king, ratwasa honestly speaking. But ratwasa re le jwalo. Ekugcineni kwakho konke kumele siqinisaneni.
Yeah.
Indlela ayikho easy for anyone. And akekho umuntu owazi ukuthi phambili kunani akunani. But the only thing that I like about you, Pastor November, you've got a very strong character. You've got a beautiful personality as well. And what I like more about you, you've got good intentions and you don't even lack wisdom.
Wow.
Khona usesilo bekade akhuluma uHope akhuluma ukuthi you must not let anything or anyone akususe kule vision onayo, because the very same vision that you have, yiyo essence ukuthi nathi kube nezinto ezi concrete esifundayo kuwe.
Wow. The same vision.
So yes, siyafunda okukhulu kakhulu kuwe. Honestly speaking, I don't want to lie. And ungasuki kwi vision yakho. Pastor November kuthiwa mase kuzokhanya kuvele kube mnyama kakhulu. Kuvele kube mnyama kakhulu. So kuzokhanya maduzane. Akekho owaziyo, and we are not going to judge the situation for what it is. It is what it is.
Wow.
And we can only learn and take information from what we've learned and move on. So angifuni ukuba mude kakhulu. You know, when Pastor November ngicela uku-off-rampa kancane.
Okay.
Uku-off-rampa kwami, you know, off-rampiswa, and I'm going to abantu besimame, they are not going to like this because i-off-ramp yami izokhuluma nabo.
And ngicela uyithethe ngesuthi so that babuzwe.
Batla ke bue ka suthi bankutlo. Ma comrade a wankutlo. Ke tlo off-rampa hanyane, and ke nahana batho ba bomme maybe ba ka nna ba se rate off-ramp yaka because it's slightly directed to them. You know, you always emphasize, udula emphasize this thing ya hore batho ba kena mo maphelong a batho ba sa tsebe hore ba batlang. And platform ya how I believe hore ke platform ya batho ba baholo ba ile hore ba tseba ntho ba e batlang. And ba tlo lena. We cannot call ourselves adults, but we are not learning anything. Hake off-rampa. Rona batho ba bomme, you know, Erishapang Pastor November, re na le obsession ya hore re batla ho controla le dintho tse le hore ha re kgone ho di control or ha ra tlameha ho di control, but we do have that obsession. Women, we've got obsession of wanting to control men. It can be in different forms, in different ways, but we do have that mentality or that obsession of wanting to control men and forgetting ukuthi uNkulunkulu wabanikeza abantu besilisa amandla. Amandla akubo. I-authority isemadodeni. And asiyazi thina abantu besimame into esiyifunayo. And yet we always say, we know what we want. Honestly, we don't know. And I think if we as women can dive deep in what we want and what we need and be honest with ourselves, it will make things more easier. Ngicela uma Pastor November ngabe mude kakhulu, but do good Pastor November and good will come to you.
Yeah, no, thank you so much, Mama Azra. Yo, guys, maruli bule ntse powerful. I bule ntse powerful haholo. Yo, thank you so much, Mama Azra.
All right, Pastor.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah, I'm taking my apostle, the one and only, the golden voice, the no wife is also good, but no wife, no, still struggling, and is still in the queue of Batla Musadi, this man.
I'm not just looking in life.
Sharp mfundisi waka ugrenta mtu waka ndaki sharp.
No re tsuile man, amen.
Thank you, Tatu.
Ke ntho tse pedi, yeah, tse pedi. One, women today ba na le tjhelete, ba ruteile, ba batle, ba na le di-apartment, mara ha ba nyala. Ha ba nyalei. Bothata bo kae?
Amapele, Apostle. Sky fita jwala ka ledodana. Bana le mesebetsi, apartment, dikoloi, everything, ha ba nyalwa. And ha ba nyalehi. You understand? Nyalehi kungachatheki.
Ha ba nyalehi. Yeah, so bothata bo kae? I can say bothata ba bona bo kae. Ke phepetse ga na le o etsalang. Yeah, it's a challenge. Ricky Wefela, something as simple. I blood after yet wala khona cheater. So yale ke batla o tseba ko ba batla because even if law okay, let me come, let me empower, let me add value. So if baka re bolella hantle bothata bo kae ke nana baka thusa next ke ni tabeng tse ne ba tlo hlalosa fela just based upon what you've been discussing ne ba tlo dula fela on those technicalities. Amen.
Thank you so much, my apostle. Thank you so much, Mkhotsi waka. Thank you. Guys, thank you so much for everything.
The problem is that I don't know how to work it because I joined me while I was on the way home.
Oh,
so I get to be now who qadile kae with ha ke bua ke reng.
No, ne ke explain now what happened. The agreement ne re bua ka ntho ne ke hlalosa ntho hore ne re bua eng ka Wednesday and then ra decide okay ntano no bua ya hore vision tsa rona ka re dia thulana you have your own vision what business o batla sekolo ne ke ba hlalosetsa re ho etsaetse eng ne so then ke explain hore the other thing ke hore it was not like re arohana impa ile re fela we can't the division tsa rona ke tsona tse re sokodisang now re itse re ke re shebeta ba relationship so jwale batho bana ba feel hore we are just wasting our time but bana ba bua ntho you know it's just a waste of time what if ke ntse ke hola bra so nna be ke re but nna ke ne ke ipoleletse hore we need to try to fix and come ka the solution because it is not right or every time bentse re tswa the relationship then ke ba bolela le the way you respectile ka teng for the fact that you said that but and then wa re honna and then re tla my process ena together so because of that and then ke decide hore ke try o lokisa and try re sheba re tla ka di strategy so that if re hlolana total be re tseba hore re lekile re bontsha so I was saying that
okay Kitlu asa ke kene kae hona le mme anare o la buile ka biker a ke tse bona re mme o biker eng
nice example
is it because of the post that the caption that I captioned was she
no,
talking
I think
about that?
Ke sa re ke hope ona bua ka hore sort of hore nka senke motho ya thabelang a biker but as a fiti virgin somebody who said but una sa bui ka specifically where ka a biker ka post
na bua ka
ona it's example
okay
it's my first time seeing you a humble movie. Ke tshaba mosadi Adam,
Oh, nasa buika code. Okay.
no,
Okay, no ke mametse phela. Yes, I am, Miss K.
Atumela mona la sa hlaka. Hey,
I greet everyone. Ba re ke ba dumedisa.
dumedisa mona.
Dumelang bana beso.
You look good together, they are tshwanelana.
Thank you so much. Jwale, what am I saying actually? What am I ke eng batho ba ka thabelang ke bue ke eng e leng hore batho ba ka thabelang hore ke hlakise you know
Boni are
because
disappointed. Boitumelano ga ena the. Thank you ever so much, Ken. We see her. Guys.
just to explain, okay, can you please see me? But the one point posting I can give more
Re kopa ho bona hle ausi wa ka.
Lemoni hle.
Momondia Santa 10 November hle re kopa ho bona sweetness.
Lemoni.
Oh ngwana rona hle.
Wa tla ke nana o tlo bua ntho nngwe.
Ao hle Ntate November ke batla ho mmona itse ka kopa.
Ke tlo mo hlahisa. Emanyane fela. Adam.
Pastor.
Okay.
Le kae pastor?
Shapo jang atamo.
Ke tsona. O uswa ka le kae?
Ntate Adam le kae hle?
A o hle ka moha o hle ke simolla ho bona monna wa ikokobedise hle. A o se ka mo etsa jwalo hle. Yo.
Ke mo tshwere hantle. Mare o itse ke a mo stressa ha ntse ke le siko.
Adam.
O sebile go seng ka mo life e nngwe e be ke joinile la pelo ke ne le bohloko man.
Oh, o sebile.
Shame what's ke butlile alla ka mole.
Adam, batho ba life eo ba teng mona. Killa.
Pastor November.
Yes, sir.
Nam take batang we understand that iwane ne. My sister ka utlwa she can say gore lebe girlfriend boyfriend. Mare, what is the intention? What's the intention?
Okay. That's a very good question. Thank you so much. It's not serving a purpose of being a wife. That's how I saw it. Ne? And
yes,
I'm not sure if I'm making sense to you, ne? And also
yes,
and everything that comes with it, and looking at the things that I'm dealing with them right now. I want to be, when Hake ba mosadi wa Dr. November, I want to be the best version of myself. Ne? I ke batlo mosadi o ba mosadi a bitter e leng hore I should have done that, but I didn't do it. Do you understand? I want to have a very marriage e leng hore it's we are happy together, very peacefully so, because how to so rabe happy but nna ke se be happy, ha ke se happy ke tlo frustrate yena. Do you understand? And how can say happy? Because now me and living everything in my dreams like that, well as ke feel already, but I should have done something to attend that. Pelo ya ka ha ona mohlang ke tlo phuthulluwang. Wang understand? And then ha ne ke re ho yena, yes. I love my man so much that okay. Ke batla o nkena halong ha ke utlwa ke
Bua Adam.
Yeah, ganyan. Yeah, ko pa kena mo ganong ganyane because of I'm speaking behalf of batho ba ba ka mo fatshe and all of us ne. But our concern e re shapang rona ke taba ya gore mo go emeng ga gago till o ba sharp or o ba happy.
we are a bit worried gore will you still have that thing ya lenyalo and then nako ya moruti e ka se lemale anyhow because of we all see and gore o tlile ka di intentions tse di felletseng mo bophelong ba gago ne and le wena as a woman we respect you 100% le maikutlo a gago we understand but it cares us I mean ya re tshosa e fitla mo tabeng ya gore go ganega taba ya lenyalo we understand because of I feel gore at somehow you will be unfair to him we understand where else otapela ana le di what if. Thank you mama.
Okay. You are talking about something
Nna
that
ene ja araba. Ka bo khathetse.
no, it's okay.
Oh.
I'm here now. Kanikman Adams, ne? I hear you. Until we buang, we spoke about it, if I'm not being mistaken, because hane kere how to feel like a re kya o tshwarella na, because now I understand his vision, I understand what he wants, I understand his goals as well, what he wants to achieve. Mohatsaka o batla basadi ba babedi, he wants to specialize in marriage, and then o batla o specialize ka polygamy as well, and then also there's a nation as well elong hore e shebile ho yena. Do you understand? So I don't want to make him feel like wa compromiser kapa o etsalang wa ke tla reng Uba left behind while he's waiting for me. Do you understand? So and then we spoke about it, and then but I think the way we love each other, we cannot leave, we cannot no. Do you understand what I'm saying? And we spoke about that. And then I don't think it is as easier to break up just like that. But if ever it was possible, we would be breaking up so that as because Lina feel like but one thing that I know from the bottom of my heart, I would love to be his wife, but in the better I make. Do you understand?
Yeah, but now, Mama, I'm going to tell you something. Ne? I respect you so much because of at least understand. And we must never be selfish. And we must never go how do you feel? That's number one. Number two, as long as you have those intentions, Pastor November. I don't feel happy you must get the attack from people saying the views someone. As long as you know your intentions and then then I don't think this thing it's a matter anyhow. Because of the more thing, you are still paving yourself, but on so I will say more when I get a big up.
No, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Adamo.
Thank you, Novisto.
Oh, askisi, ke mogauti. Askisi mataka hlemono kana request hape. Katlego. Abti katlego, kapa ke buti katlego. Katlego ke a feta. Katli? Ke a utlwa ntate, ke a utlwa. Abti katlego? Network ya hao ntate. Ke kopa o kene, ke kopa o request up network ya with bed. Ke kopa o request.
Me ke kopa o araba Miss Kane. Miss K is saying, can he marry someone while you are still keeping him away? We know that Muna Naki Muna was stable. So I have released him that he can go and marry someone and so that I don't hold him.
Okay,
So I think you Arabile, my sister.
okay. Hope.
That November.
Yes.
Makiteng, Papa. Greetings, Sisi, Sawbon.
Hi, Sister Njani.
Sawbona Sisunat.
Uyaphila?
Unjani?
I'm good. How's you?
Ngiyaphila sithandwa sami. Inetwork yenu angazi niyenzeni lapho no-13 November beyi-right. You are in a position that is very delicate. Yabon, if this relationship obo with someone else out there who's not known by many, like on 13 November, I don't think you'll be sitting here at almost 9:30 answering questions from abantu ongazi uhlangane nabo ne. So why am I saying this? I'm building a picture for you already to see what, you know, as much as Niyavuma nithi uNtate November is a man of God who wants to marry 2 wives, right? One of the things that I want you to do, you might take my advice, you might ignore it, it's still fine. But I just want you to be sincere with yourself and, you know, speak to a mother who is very mature, who has been in marriage for quite a while, for many years, and let them know, I'm in this, and this is what is happening, and let them know about Untate November already. Why are you going to do that? One of the greatest teachers in life, you will be taught by someone who has walked through the journey, not someone who heard stories from next door, not someone who heard, but I want you to speak to a woman figure, a mother who's very mature in this thing, so that now ufike kuleya level of understanding ukuthi whatever decision you can make now on 30 November, it will affect your coming 5 years. It will affect your coming 10 years. It will affect even your coming year, literally. Because now, yes, you love each other, that one we respect. We are not going to judge any of you. We have been taught to November. If I can come in here and start saying other things, I am not allowed to do that, right? So I want you to be the one who will do what we call self-introspection and look at it from already in relationship and where there is so many questions. We are saying this, we are asking that, we are saying, you know, and why in 30 November we have come to these live services. We have seen him from the screen and some have seen him physically. If you can see him even today, we are he's in between. He's a man, he has to strengthen himself. But Kona lento show you, okay, what if this will happen? What if this won't happen? And you don't want your man as you love him like that. So at the end of the day, you will need to come out from emotionally thinking of the attachment that you have with him. But then we come back to face reality and facts. 5 years from now, if we continue like this, where are we going to be? If indeed we are if you are willing that, okay, and all that, if you are willing for that journey, then truly we won't judge you. Tina will pray with you, or with whatever outcome will come from that temple set up, you will still be found doubts, or what if, because also is temple season challenges. If we are not, okay, let me paint it like this, my dear sis. If you are not set up fully to be a mother to many like this in a church setup, trust me, you are not ready to be a second wife. Trust me, ngikhulele esithenjini, I know the pros and cons. And it's 90% cons, not pros. There's so much about that thing that I don't even think you are set up for it. Am I judging you? No. I'm saying this out of love for you, out of care for Ntate November and for the two of you. So that whatever decision that you take, make sure indeed you are strong enough. I would rather, even with that love, my 3 months, 6 months, but I love him, but I love her, but you make the right decision. Because at the end of the day, going with love and feelings and all that, at the end of the day, that is not going to build your home. You still need to face things that will need you to still be stronger than you are. So are you set up for all of that? I don't know, my dear. So now what I can promise you, I'll pray truthfully. I'll ask, there's one servant of God on the comment section. I'll ask him each and every day by God's grace, your names within that day November, will mention them to the Lord. Let the Lord take over all this matter so that even one day you can still love a person. That November, I don't want to regret tomorrow and say I left someone that I loved. You can still love a person, but because of things that you can already say, so at the end of the day, why would we build love on its own? It cannot stand the test of time. There's so much that comes with all this. So I'm going to leave you with a promise from my heart to yours, my dear Sissy. We will pray with you and we will pray for you. So that one day, if you wake up feeling any other way, know that those prayers will be coming into effect. And it's not wrong, my dear. It's not wrong for you to say, because of this and that and that. Let's rather leave everything the way it is. Let's take time apart. Because vele nako mani saw the way you are very close and all this. The decisions you are going to make, they are more emotional than they will ever be logical. And what builds more, is it emotions or logic? You will see that logic will bring more things to be balanced and the foundation is firm. And also remember, the greatest thing of everything that we are talking about is Ntate November is a man of God. That one we cannot run away from. And men of God, comments, but men of God, they have a protocol of how they do things. That is why Tina said, no, we are not going to be frustrating you, giving you headaches, saying many things. Let's all, if those who are willing, let's go and pray for Ntate November and for Sis Unati, for the perfect will of God to prevail over your lives. I'm going to end it there, and God bless you in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen. Amen.
Yo. Thank you so much, Sis Hope. You know what? More than anything, what I keep on hearing from Sis Hope, she's saying that whatever decision that we must do, we must not make it emotional and not out of love. Let's take the love and put it aside, and use logic now. Yeah, but thank you so much. And then she spoke of honestly, she spoke like a mother. She spoke of me also talking with someone that has been in the journey, someone that has experienced in this, in everything. Honestly, also I'm just trying to show you, Hore, I heard everything what you said. I heard everything what you said, and I thank you so much. Thank you for taking your time as well to come and be very civil, because we were very civil. You never took any side. You were never you were very civil, very neutral as well, and understood both of us. Because I know that right now, to many people, I know even here on the comment section, they would think that I can say I'm doing this because of maybe I have other agendas, or I'm doing this, but everything that I'm doing is to protect rather than to ruin. Rather than Hosenya, but is to protect. I'm protecting, I'm foreseeing this danger. How can we stop it from happening? this is how I feel, this is where I am. So now, how do we prevent this thing in 2 years' time? If we don't prevent this, in 2 years' time, we'll find ourselves in this. And I don't want that. So I know a lot of you, many of you in the comment section, I'm sure, Baba Ngata, and saying whatnot and whatnot and whatnot. But hey, everyone has a right to have an opinion because this is a public figure. So I guess everyone has a right to say anything that they want to say. But thank you so much, Sis Hope. I heard everything. And honestly, from the bottom of my heart, I'm very humbled as well. Thank you so much.
Amen.
Thank you.
Amen.
Thank you, Sis Hope. Yes.
Amen. As I drop off that November, I was I don't know why Nessus Unat. Can you please go and study the life of if you will, and if you can, if you took some notes. There is a lady Osimbizaban Ulachong. Ulachongo, she is the lady who had, you remember, she was a virgin, literally. She kept herself and only had to have her first son with our ex-president, Jacob Zuma. Yes. So now when she comes back to tell us now the details of how that relationship went and how she ended up raising that son alone. And remember, JZ already had some wives and all that. You go and DM me one day, you'll come back and tell me why it is the Holy Spirit who laid this in my heart for you. Go and study. She loved Zuma. She had a son she was a virgin and all, but at the end she ended up raising a son. Until today, I don't think the relationship ever went. They were in love, these people. So go and study it. It starts from such. I'm just building a vivid picture of what love can do to one. Hey, so we don't always go with love. You can love him, but decide that for the sake of our future, for the sake of your children, for the sake of my own children, this one, let's rather do it this way. And you will see that tomorrow you wake up and say, what I did was the best decision ever. Amen. I'm going to leave it there in Jesus' name. I will stay in the comment section.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye. God bless you. Amen.
Thank you, Sis Hope.
Keep gorgeous. Gorgeous. Keep gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Untate November le kae?
Teng le kae morato wa ka?
Re teng ke ne ke timme mabone.
Gorgeous. Network. O ke a utlwa no.
Ke kopa ho tla hanyanyana story sa mmene. I feel ke nana hore every woman una le kgetho ne, not every woman, every person una le kgetho. Every person, every human being una le kgetho ya ho kgetha hore na o batla ho etsa eng ne. Now I'm talking on my behalf. I was married before for 10 years, and then my husband passed on. A month later, I got married again for the second time to a pastor, and then we are happily married. Una le bana ba 4, I have 3 kids. We are making this a happy family, and we want, no matter what, we are fighting for this family to grow. And what I've learned, guess it the past tense to my new relationship, to my new marriage. I cannot come into my previous marriage to my new marriage. The thing I feel hore auswaka agabali agadula fatine I patle. I fully understand hore ntate wena o batla ho ba step and all that. Okay, now I don't believe in step and all that. But before that made me realize what's my thing. I think every person has a
kore unali
A choice.
Yes, unali choice yaka yetsang, unali kgetho in everything I yetsang. But to all the choices, let me tell you, lerato le kwala tsohle. You can, Auswaka, you can take you can go to the comment section and read the comment section and then ore arabe left, right, and center. But let me tell you, the choice at the end of the day is yours. You can do everything. The way re ratang ka teng, but at the end of the day, the last word, kia how. Taba ena na e nkgohlile haholo ne ila nkgohla haholo because now I took my previous husband was not even working. He was the he was not just a small version ya thing. He was not working and una sa batle lo batla mosebetsi. I ended up opening a business and then about part of the business. And then he passed on. And I can't so what? But I never did that. What I did, I met with a new person and then we sit. You come from a marriage, I come from a marriage, and then marriage it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then my marriage negates a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dilepedi harabatu in our new marriage. One day we took. I remember one day, it was months. We bent all the clothes. We bent all the clothes that I was using to my previous wedding, my deco body, in everything. We started over so that we can know, Bona Monana is me and you, and we love each other.
No, thank you so much, Auswaka. Yeah, no, thank you so much. Wow. Thank you so much. This thing issue. It is because kile relationship yaka as a public figure and as a somebody yabaka